Air travel is evolving quickly, and digital issues are now one of the most overlooked reasons travelers get delayed at airport security. Before TSA asks to see your phone, check these 5 app problems because simple mistakes inside everyday apps can create confusion during screening, trigger extra questions, and slow down the entire process. Many travelers focus only on luggage rules, but outdated apps, hidden settings, and incorrect digital documents are becoming common problems at checkpoints. This video explains the app issues that can quietly cause delays and how to fix them before arriving at the airport. Stay until the end because the #1 issue is something that surprises even frequent flyers. If this kind of travel warning content helps make trips smoother and less stressful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips that help avoid airport problems. Number 5. Old airline apps. Many travelers install airline apps once and never update them again, assuming the app will continue working the same way forever. Over time, outdated versions can fail to sync with airline systems, causing boarding passes to display incorrect times, missing gate changes, or outdated seat numbers. When security or airline staff request travel details, mismatched information immediately creates confusion and may lead to manual verification. A common situation occurs when an older boarding pass remains stored inside the app and appears first when the device is opened, forcing staff to question whether the ticket is valid. Airline systems update constantly, and older app versions may not support new security features or digital verification tools. If the app is not logged in or refreshed, the boarding pass may appear inactive or partially loaded, which slows down screening. Notifications that fail to update can cause travelers to rely on incorrect flight details, increasing the chance of being redirected for additional checks. Ensuring that the airline app is fully updated, logged in, and refreshed before arriving at the airport helps prevent unnecessary delays and makes digital boarding passes load smoothly during screening. Number 4. Hidden privacy apps. Privacy tools and VPNs are extremely common on smartphones, but certain settings can unintentionally create problems when travel documents need to be shown quickly. Some VPN configurations block internet access on unfamiliar networks, which prevents boarding passes or travel confirmations from loading when requested at the airport. When staff need to verify travel details quickly, devices that appear restricted or difficult to navigate may attract extra attention. Strong privacy settings can also hide notifications or prevent easy access to files stored in cloud services. If travel documents are locked behind multiple permission requests or hidden folders, finding them quickly becomes difficult during busy security screenings. Devices displaying unusual lock screens or restricted access modes may raise questions if staff struggle to view required information. Checking that important travel apps remain accessible and temporarily disabling settings that interfere with quick document access helps make the screening process faster and smoother. Number 3. Fake booking apps. The rise of unofficial travel apps and third-party booking platforms has created new challenges at airports. Some apps display confirmation screens that do not match airline databases, which may lead to doubts about the validity of reservations. Screenshots of bookings can appear incomplete or altered, especially when details such as booking codes or passenger names are partially hidden. Security and airline staff often prefer live confirmations connected directly to official airline systems. Even legitimate travel planning apps can cause delays if they display outdated itineraries or incomplete reservation information. When multiple apps show conflicting travel details, staff may need to perform extra checks before allowing the traveler to proceed. Relying on official airline apps or verified booking platforms helps avoid confusion and ensures that reservations appear consistent across all verification systems. Keeping confirmation emails easily accessible and ensuring that reservations load live instead of through screenshots helps reduce unnecessary questioning at security checkpoints. Number 2. Notification chaos. Modern smartphones are filled with constant alerts from social media, banking apps, games, and promotional messages. When a boarding pass or travel confirmation needs to be shown quickly, excessive notifications can make it difficult to find the right document. Lock screens crowded with alerts may require additional steps to unlock or navigate, which slows down the process and may attract extra scrutiny during busy screening periods. Grouped notifications and privacy settings sometimes hide travel alerts behind multiple layers, forcing travelers to open several apps before locating essential information. Devices that lag or freeze due to heavy background activity can also create delays at checkpoints. Organizing travel apps in easily accessible locations, clearing unnecessary notifications before arriving at the airport, and ensuring boarding passes are ready on the main screen helps speed up document checks and reduces stress during security screening. Number 1. Expired travel apps. Digital travel authorizations and government-issued apps are now required for many destinations, and outdated approvals are becoming a major source of airport delays. When security staff request proof of travel authorization, apps displaying expired statuses or incomplete forms can lead to secondary screening or additional questioning. Even small errors in personal information, such as incorrect passport numbers or outdated travel dates, may trigger verification checks. Some government apps require regular updates or internet access to display current approval status. If the app has not been refreshed recently, it may show pending or incomplete information, even when clearance has already been granted. Changing devices or reinstalling apps without restoring digital records can also make approvals difficult to access during travel. Ensuring that official travel apps are updated, logged in, and showing valid authorization before leaving for the airport helps avoid unnecessary complications and keeps the screening process smooth and efficient. Extra travel tips for smooth phone checks. Even after fixing app problems, a few additional steps can make TSA phone checks faster and less stressful. First, always organize travel apps in a single folder labeled clearly so boarding passes, government apps, and airline confirmations are all in one place. This prevents fumbling during security and avoids accidental exposure of unrelated apps. Second, enable airplane mode with Wi-Fi on while going through security. This keeps the device active for boarding pass scans without triggering network errors or VPN conflicts. Third, clear temporary files or cached app data from travel apps before leaving for the airport. Some outdated caches can display old flight information or crash unexpectedly when pulled up at a checkpoint. Regularly clearing app storage ensures that documents load quickly and correctly. Finally, consider taking screenshots of essential boarding passes or authorizations as backups, but make sure they are up to date and match live documents. Screenshots work best as a safety net in case internet access or app functionality fails, but they should never replace the official live confirmations. Common mistakes travelers make. Even experienced travelers fall into the same traps over and over. Leaving apps outdated, ignoring privacy restrictions, or relying on screenshots instead of live data are the top mistakes that lead to delays. Notifications, promotional emails, and other distractions on the lock screen often create unnecessary friction during security checks. Another common mistake is assuming that a government travel app or airline app just works without verification. Many travelers don't realize that even minor updates like new terms of service, app refreshes, or network updates can change how apps display important information. Spending 5 minutes to check everything before leaving home or the hotel can prevent long lines, extra questioning, or even denied boarding. Final advice before heading to the airport. Before leaving for the airport, take a few quick steps. Open every app needed for travel and verify that the information displayed is correct, current, and easy to locate. Make sure boarding passes, government authorizations, and airline confirmations load quickly. Check VPNs and privacy apps to confirm they won't block access to these critical apps. Clear unnecessary notifications and organize your travel apps for easy access. Finally, have a backup screenshot of essential documents just in case. These small precautions save time, prevent stress, and help security screenings go as smoothly as possible. Remember, TSA officers aren't looking to create problems. They just need to confirm details quickly. Being prepared keeps travel seamless and avoids unnecessary delays. Closing. Phones have become an essential part of travel, and every app on your device matters when passing through airport security. From outdated airline apps to hidden privacy settings, notification chaos, fake booking apps, and expired government authorizations, even small issues can create big headaches. Taking a few minutes to check everything before leaving for the airport ensures a faster, smoother, and less stressful journey. If these tips help make travel easier, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel for more insider travel advice that keeps trips stress-free and worry-free.